I want you to simply visualize this. You land on a website for the very first time. It's sleek, it's modern, and as soon as it loads, bam, you see a stunning section at the very top. It has a bold title, it has a catchy subtitle, and a button that practically whispers, "Click me." You feel something instantly, don't you? Curiosity, trust, maybe excitement. That's the hero section at work. And in the next 5 to 10 minutes, I will exactly tell you how to craft one that actually works. Welcome to the episode 1, and today the topic of discussion is anatomy of hero section. And first thing first, what is a hero section? The hero section is a face of your website. It is the first impression, and as they say, you don't get a second chance at that. For modern websites, this is where visitors decide, should I scroll down? Should I engage? Or should I just leave? So, the hero section isn't just about looking good, it's about doing its job. And the job is to grab attention, to create clarity, and to drive action. Now, let's break this down step by step. And the very first thing that user sees in a hero section is the hero title. It should be familiar and powerful. Now, here are three important points that you should definitely remember when you write or when you create a hero section title. First, it should be clear. Tell them exactly what they are looking at. Second, it should be value driven. What's in it for them? Third, it should be memorable. A simple yet bold phrase they will remember. So, these are the three important tips that you should definitely remember when you write a hero section title. Let's justify this with an example. Instead of saying this, we design websites, you transform it and you say, websites that help businesses grow. See the difference? It feels more relatable. It feels more impactful. So, it is very important to follow the 3 points that I mentioned earlier to create a familiar and powerful hero section title. Alongside title, have the subtitle. A subtitle which adds value and build connection. Here are two important things that you should remember regarding the subtitle. One, explain how you do what you promise. And second, keep it short and punchy. 1 to 2 line is more than enough. For example, custom build websites that turn clicks into customers. Designed for growth, built for speed. The title hooks them and the subtitle convinces them. Now, the next component in line we have call to action, a button that works. And this is where the magic happens. A CTA button does one thing. It tells the users what to do next. Here are few rules that defines what a great CTA looks like. First, be action oriented. CTAs like get started, learn more, try now, a few of the widely used CTA that can be used when you are creating your next hero section design. Second, stand out. Use contrasting colors. The CTA should look like a CTA. Third, create urgency or create some incentive for the users. For example, book today, free trial, only few slots left. Here are some of the copy of CTA that you can use to create that urgency factor. So, think of a CTA like a signpost. Make it obvious, make it irresistible. Now, adding to the content of the hero section, we have The visuals, hero images, illustrations, or backgrounds. Visuals bring your hero section to life. In modern hero sections, you will often see hero images like a product shot, a UI mockup, or people using the product. You often see videos like looping background videos to add motion and intrigue. So, what's the key here? Your visuals should support the message. It should not distract, it should entirely enhance what your hero section or what your product or what this website is all about. Let's look at some quick examples of great modern hero sections. First, we have Apple's website. A simple headline: iPhone 16 Pro, with stunning visual and a CTA. Here's one key takeaway, and it is very important for each and every individual that is willing to create websites or it is into this field, that it is not entirely or it is not the thumb rule to follow the traditional hero section design every time. You can always play with the composition, you can always play with the layout and create a visual design, a visual interface that fits your product, that fits your customers, that fits your requirement. Second example, we have Stripe's website, a clear title with a short and crisp subtitle. Third example, we have Dropbox website, a visual driven hero with a playful yet professional illustration and a strong CTA. Did you notice how all these websites, how all this great hero section focus on clarity, visuals, and action? So here's what you need to remember about a modern hero section. First, the title should be in such a way that it grabs attention and provides value. The subtitle should add clarity and build trust. The CTA should drive action. It's your conversion engine. And your visuals tie it all together, create an experience. When done right, the hero section doesn't just look good, it works. It invites users to stay, engage, and take the next step. So, here's my challenge for you. Go look at your favorite websites today. Notice their hero sections. What do the titles say? How clear are the CTAs? And how do the visuals make you feel? And when you design your next hero section, remember this: clarity wins, simplicity shines, and design is about action. Thanks for listening to the very first episode of Design on the Go. If you find this helpful, make sure you follow along because we are just getting started. See you next time. Till then, happy designings.